Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, I want to present the value of RHPO for a state-owned company. Now, I want to introduce our company. Name is PT Perkebunan Nusantara 3 Persero, and this company is a state-owned enterprise plantation. It is a government of Indonesia. Next slide. So, the location of our company is in Medan, North Sumatra, and then the plant is laid on East Sumatra Island. Thank you. So now we focus to build in downstream industry, lay on Semangke. It is about 200 kilometers from Medan. Medan is the capital of North Sumatra. Now our business is palm oil and rubber, but in this time I want to talk about the palm oil because we talk about RHPO. So our area is about 105,000 hectares, and the yield around 1.7 million ton fresh fruit branch. We have 11 palm oil mill that capacity about around 510 ton FEP per hour. So we produce crude palm oil around 400,000 ton data in 2010, and kernel around 80,000 ton. So we sell our product to local and export. Local 50% and export 50%. Now we plan to certify our product with RHPO. In 2010, we already certified our palm oil and kernel oil. The palm oil produced from one palm mill. Certified sustainable palm oil around 35 million ton. And then certified sustainable palm kernel around 7 million ton. So in 2012, we plan to make certified from 6 palm oil mills. And from 2013, we plan to make certified from 11 palm oil mills. So in upstream industry, we have a strategy to increase productivity and quality, increase in efficiency and GAP, good agriculture practice and good manufacture practice, and improve in environment and social performance. All of this must comply to principle and criteria RHPO. In downstream industry, we establishment of Semangke Integrated Sustainable Palm Oil Industrial Cluster. The raw material from 100 CSPO and CSPK. This is the future of the mutual connection and interaction between individual industries by Porter. So the industry and the sporting. Now, future of Semangke project is It is on oil palm plantation area and surrounded by less than 70 kilometers. PT Menteri palm oil mills have 165 ton FFB per hour. Other participants palm oil mills of 300 ton FFB per hour and private company palm oil mills of 1,004 ton FFB per hour. So the location is good, have a good port, deep water, draft more than 12 meters, and then the area near town center. So the area have access to infrastructure, water, road, able to form cluster and give confidence to new investors. And then PT Menteri is a green company. We already identified that conservation plan. So we have identify HCV area, like heritage, flora and fauna. And then PT Menteri is a friendly company. We give something like CSR to give for farmer and then give a CSR based on social impact assessment. And then PT Menteri is consistent to implement management system like ISO, Malcolm Baldrige, RSPO, GCG, and SMK3. And then PT Menteri have a program related to greenhouse gas reduction to build a biomass power plant oil. We said PLTBS capacity to capacity 7 megawatt. The fuel use empty fruit bunches and shell. And then we make a compost factory in Sedaun. Raw material is empty fruit bunch. And we build thermal oil heater in Gunung Para Estate. Raw material is shell. Now we have a mission to build independent smallholder and independent outgrowers. In 2012, PT Menteri will bid farmers to meet national RSPO principle in criteria. So we have planned to build independent outgrowers of 8,000 hectares, split into two main locations, Simalungun and Labuhan Batu. Last time, the NGO from IDH Netherlands and Solidaridad have met to us in that area. Thank you for IDH and Solidaridad that they will give us support. Yes, thank you. This is the timeline for independent outgrowers. We make a team building and identification and data independent outgrowers, awareness program, PNC RSPO, form an organization of independent outgrowers, manager group, initial review, gap assessment, training best practice, mentoring program for implementation, self-assessment and certification. This is our time bound for independent outgrowers. Thank you.